Welcome to the Culinary Study Guide, your go-to channel for mastering the art of cooking. In today's video, we'll show you how to become a great chef. We'll cover everything from essential skills like knife techniques and flavor development to the importance of time management and teamwork. If you're passionate about the culinary world, hit that subscribe button and join our community of food lovers. Let's dive into the journey of becoming a talented chef together. To become a good chef, it's essential to develop a range of skills that will help you excel in the kitchen. Here are some critical skills to focus on. Number 1. Culinary knowledge. Acquiring a solid foundation in culinary techniques, cooking methods, and ingredient knowledge is crucial. This includes understanding flavor profiles, proper knife skills, food safety, and mastering various cooking methods, such as sautéing, roasting, and braising. Number 2. Creativity. A good chef should have a creative flair and the ability to experiment with flavors, textures, and presentations. Developing your creativity allows you to invent new dishes, adapt recipes, and elevate the dining experience for your guests. Number 3. Time management. The kitchen is fast-paced, so honing your time management skills is vital. Being able to prioritize tasks, multitask efficiently, and meet deadlines will help you stay organized and deliver dishes promptly. Number 4. Attention to detail. Precision and detail are critical in cooking, from following recipes accurately to ensuring the proper seasoning and plating techniques. A good chef pays close attention to every element of a dish. Number 5. Palate development. Developing a refined palate is essential for creating well-balanced and delicious dishes. Train your taste buds by tasting various ingredients, exploring different cuisines, and experimenting with flavor combinations to enhance your ability to season and adjust dishes to perfection. 6. Adaptability. The culinary world constantly evolves, so adaptability is crucial. Embrace your new cooking techniques, ingredients, and trends, and be open to learning from others. Adaptability allows you to thrive in different kitchen environments and handle unexpected challenges. Number 7. Leadership and teamwork. As you progress in your culinary career, leadership and teamwork become essential skills for communicating effectively, delegating tasks, and working harmoniously with others in a high-pressure environment is essential for a successful kitchen operation. Last but not least, number 8. Continuous learning. The culinary world is vast and ever-changing, so a willingness to learn and improve is vital. Stay updated with industry trends, participate in workshops or cooking classes, and seek mentorship opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. Remember, becoming a good chef takes time, practice, and dedication. Embrace the joy of cooking and never stop exploring and pushing your boundaries in the culinary world. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.